Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great out there. As you know, I like trying out different things, different pans. So we're going to do this unboxing of this Modern Innovations. It was started in 2010, forged in fire. They are made in China, but it's another one of those kind of like the Perini that are polished. So let's see what all we get in this box right here. So we'll slide that to the side. And we've got a little cover for the handle. It's not very thick leather. This should work. Got some Tic Tacs. Nah, seriously, don't eat that stuff. It's not good for you. We've got the recipe and care guide. Comes with it. That's cool. It's already more stuff than usually you get, on your first time use. Cleaning and seasoning. I haven't read over this, of course, so I'll definitely check over their seasoning and see if it's decent or not. All right, let's pull this thing out of the plastic. All right. It's not heavy. It's maybe a little lighter than the large. I'm not sure exactly. We'll have to measure that when we do a cooking and test it out. It's a pretty clean surface, so definitely I need to, clean it because it's been in a warehouse, but pretty sure that's what that dark spot is there. It's just oil on it or a fingerprint. That is pretty shiny. And then on the back, it says Forged for Fire, the Modern Innovations, just like the box. It doesn't feel bad. I mean, the outside, it's textured. It's not like, the Lodge has a smooth texture where it kind of ripples. This is more of like a non-skid. Like if you hit it too hard, it might try to take off, some skin. But it's not too bad. But guys, it's not a bad looking skillet. We'll have to do some testing on it and see how it cooks. Hope everybody has a great one.